Hello, good afternoon. How are you doing today? Welcome to today's class with Mr. Kiki Manuel Ogembe. In our class today, we will be taking a question from past IGCSE question papers. And here comes the question. The points x, y, and z are such that vector xy is equals to vector 3yz. The position vector of x and z relative to an origin O are 4, negative 27 and 20, negative 7 respectively. Find the unit vector in the direction of OY, vector OY. Okay, solution. Given that OX is equals to 4I minus 27J, OZ is given as 20I minus 7J, then OY unknown. And also given that vector XY is equals to 3 vector YZ, we can take this as XY is equals to X vector XY is equals to vector XO plus vector OY using triangle law addition vectors. Or vector XZ is equals to vector XO plus vector OZ, which implies since OX is 4I minus 27J, so XO, vector XO becomes negative of 4I minus 27J plus OZ, which is 20I minus 7J. So that gives us minus 4I plus 27J plus 20I minus 7J. So that gives us 16I plus 20J. That's the vector XZ. Now vector YZ is given as vector YO plus vector OZ, and vector XY is given as vector XO plus vector OY. Based on the relationship of vector XY is equals to 3 vector YZ, we can write it as vector XO plus vector OY is equals to 3 bracket open vector YO plus vector OZ. That means vector XO plus vector OY is equals to 3 vector YO plus 3 vector OZ. If we substitute, we have negative 4I plus 27J as XO vector is equals to, if I move vector OY to the right hand side, it becomes 4 vector YO plus 3 of 20I minus 7J. That is, if we recognize vector OY as a negative vector of YO. Now, we have minus 4 plus 27J minus 60I plus 21J is equals to 4 vector 4YO. So we have negative 64, we have negative 64I, negative 64I plus 48J is equals to 4YO. So if we divide through by 4, we have negative 16I plus 12J is equals to YO. Therefore, the vector OY becomes 16I minus 12J. 16I minus 12J. So the unit vector, we need to find the magnitude of vector OY, which is using Pythagoras theorem. We have 16 squared plus minus 12 squared, which is 256 plus 144, which is 400, that is 20. So the unit vector OY is 1 over 20 of 16I minus 12J. That's the end for that question. Please do share our video when you come across it. Please do share our video. I beg in the name of God to encourage us by sharing our video on the Facebook, on the YouTube. Please write to us even at the link. Please write to us wherever you come across our video. Please do share. If you talk to us, that's an encouragement. Your comments on our comment section will go a long way to help us. We plead with you to write to us, correct us, carry us along through your comments. You can hear us through this phone number 080-387-46884. Thank you and do have a nice day.